Hey there digital friends, welcome back to Digital Visions, and in this video I will be showing you the latest update that is released for the Nothing Phone 1. So this is the 1.1.7 update which is around 80 MB, and as you can see the changelog here, I will also show you what are the changes that have happened with this update afterwards. So let's start by installing the update. You can check the time in the corner so that you can know how much time it took to install the update. So now currently the update is installing, and after installing let us restart the device now. So the update size is around 80 MB and it will take some time to install the update. In the meantime, subscribe to Digital Visions and click on the like button and share the video. So I am speeding up this entire process of installing the update and restarting of the device. So as you can see now, the update is finally completed and the time is now around 8-9. So finally the update has been installed, and as you can see currently we are on the Nothing OS 1.1.7. So I will be using the device for some time with this latest update and see whether the changes which they mention are actually working or not. Did the changes actually made with this update or not, and also the hidden changes which they are present which they didn't mention in the changelog. So finally I have used the device for some time with the latest 1.1.7 update. So I will be showing you the section wise changes according to the changelog which they have mentioned, and we will see the hidden changes which they have didn't mention in the changelog. So let's start with the new features that they have implemented. So for that let's go to the settings first. So the new feature that they have introduced is regarding the AirPods. So until now with the 1.1.6 update, the battery percentage of the AirPods can't be seen in the settings of the Bluetooth. So they are saying that they have now implemented this feature as an experimental feature which might work or might not work. So when you connect your AirPods to the Nothing Phone 1, then you can see this option like AirPods support. So if you enable that, you can see the battery percentage of the AirPods in the Nothing Phone 1 Bluetooth settings. But unfortunately, even though if we enable, we can't see the battery percentage. As you can see here, it's blank here. So when we connect to the other earphones like Nothing Ear 1, Nothing Ear Stick or other Bluetooth buds, you can see the individual battery percentage as shown here. So currently they have given these as experimental feature, but still it's not working as you can see here. So the next thing is regarding the improvements. So the first improvement is regarding the security patch update. So currently I am Nothing OS 1.1.7. So let us see the security patch update. So in the change they have mentioned as October or November instead of October and November, as previously we are on the September security patch update. So in the security settings you can see the Google Play system update is on October security patch. So the next thing is regarding the improved OS fluidity and reduces shutters. The UI smoothness seems to be improved with this update. As I mentioned, it's not like major improvement, but we can see the minor improvement in the speed of the UI, and also there are reduced shutters when compared to the previous updates. So don't expect much improvement in the smoothness. They will be improving I think with the Android 13 update. And regarding the thermal improvements, as they mentioned from the beginning, there is a thermal issues problem with this device. So it seems like they have trying to fix that, but still my phone is heating still after the update. So as the Android 13 beta starts next month, let's see whether they will be fixing the overheating issue even in the normal usage in the Nothing Phone 1. So after that they have mentioned regarding the improved audio quality in the recording videos. So I tested the video recording, but I didn't see much of the improvement in the audio, but I can see the improvement in the photos which are taken by the camera app. So they didn't mention regarding any of the picture quality improvement and the focus issues, so which seems to be improved now and fixed, like not completely but almost seems to be fixed with this latest update, which they didn't mention in the changelog. And after that they have mentioned regarding the more accuracy battery stats. So battery life is a problem with this phone for me, so I am getting a very less battery backup. So now they have seemed to improve the battery stats so that we can see which app is consuming more battery in the background. So the users who are using the phone with the 1.1.7 update claims that they have seen an improvement in the battery life, so which seems to be good. So at present I can't say much regarding the battery life, whether it's improved or not. So after that they mentioned regarding the bug fixes where they have fixed the WhatsApp bug. To be frank, I didn't got this WhatsApp bug, and after that they mentioned regarding the general bug fixes, but they didn't mention which they fixed. So there is a hidden feature or improvement, I can say. So when you're using Nothing Phone 1, if you see the Wi-Fi, internet and the hotspot, the three toggles are in grouped together. So if you want to turn on the internet, if you click on the toggle, we will be getting a pop-up, and again we have to enable the toggle to turn on the internet or Wi-Fi. As you can see here, every time we press, we are getting that. But now with the latest 1.1.7 update, if you click on the toggle, it will turn on or off the Wi-Fi. So now we are not getting that pop-up, so that we have to click on again to turn on the Wi-Fi or internet. So because of that, I am using a Wi-Fi toggle separately. So first uninstall this first, and finally they have improved by using the feedback given by the users. So now directly if we click on the toggle, it will enable the internet or Wi-Fi. So if you want the pop-up, you can click on the text which is to the right to get the pop-up. So which is very useful feature for so many users using the Nothing Phone 1. And also if you are using Wi-Fi, you can see the Wi-Fi toggle first, and if you are using the mobile data, you can see the mobile data toggle first, so that you can easily turn on and off the internet or Wi-Fi or hotspot. So this is a very needed feature and useful feature for many of the users. And now coming to the conclusion of the new NothingOS 1.1.7 update. So some minor bugs are there which needed to be fixed, but they are very rare, like we can't see them every time. But it's good, like they are giving at least one update every month to fix the bugs in the Nothing Phone 1. So this update is like a good update, as we can see the battery life improvement, the camera improvement, mainly they fixed the focus issues which many people are facing, and now many people are happy that the camera output is very good. The UI smoothness also increases, so it will be good if they add some useful features like screenshot gestures or changing the fonts, multi audio support, etc. So comment down below what you felt with this NothingOS 1.1.7 update, and also comment down below whether you are waiting for the NothingOS 2.0, which is Android 13. So click the like button if you like this video, and if you want me to do more videos regarding the Nothing Phone 1. So thank you for watching this video guys, and subscribe for more.